Going on, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jay Tetsuo, and this is my view of overtime. Right? Today is literally the last night of OT because everything is about to be cleared out. And at the same time, I'm finishing up a special project. And one thing that I haven't done is record in the rain. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to record in the rain. Stay tuned. One of the biggest, best investments that I've made, a microphone pop filter. So whenever I'm able to record, you see everything that's around me, from the rain sounds and everything. Protects everything, filters out everything. Good investment. In mix microphone, studio microphone filter. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it is 3:36 a.m. on a Monday morning, and I have just finished my second mix draft for H3. You'll know the song title soon. Back in the full world cypher, huh? Yeah, I miss these parts. I miss you too. You got a lot to talk about though.
Yeah.